And I'm back here yet again. Long time no see. Well, I can't see you, but yeah, thanks for tuning in. Yep, no worries, because I'm like the only person who watches my own videos anyway, so you're welcome. So I know I'm trying to transition this channel into a more personal DIY channel, but I still wanted to unpack all my rough ideas onto the one video for future reference, and the one idea is essentially the title. But as I do this voiceover, here's basically a long video of me experimenting with a few exercises and using a theraband. I'm honestly, I'm just mucking around with a theraband. I don't know, I hate myself or something. So while I'm pretending to be fit, let's just get right into it. So the new idea starts off with making a new YouTube channel. But Josh, you only have like 50 views and 10 subscribers. What do you mean a new YouTube channel? And to that I say, yep, that's actually, yeah, that's true. Bitch. So this new idea of mine is going to be a separate channel comprised of 20 to 30-second exercise demonstrations with voiceover, which is why I'm trying to get into the whole voiceover thing with this video, just get into the groove of things. Each video will be a different exercise, and the reason for YouTube is so that people with YouTube accounts can, navigate their own way through the channel and create their own playlists to make their own cue. Now, the reason why I want to do this is because I want to help other new grad physiotherapists, osteopaths, chiros, exercise physiologists, and even personal trainers expand their repertoire of exercises so that they'll be more comfortable to prescribe them and they're not just thrown in the dark when it comes to prescribing exercises for different people, especially in the private sphere. Physio, when you get thrown into that area, it's kind of daunting. Yeah. Too often, and I speak from personal experience when I was a new grad, it was really hard thinking about new variations of different exercises to target different muscle groups. And with certain clients, you're going to also have different limitations that are specific to that client. For example, they only have this equipment at home or that equipment at home, or they have to deal with confined space. You need to work around that, and you got to think about different exercises that are suitable for them. With this channel, I'm only hoping that we can shortcut that thinking and just inspire other professions to just quickly get to the right exercise. I also want this channel to be discoverable by, the average person, and that's why YouTube is going to be perfect because, literally anyone can hop on YouTube and access this database. What I'm trying to do here for the individual consumer is I hope that they can find inspiration from these exercises as well and build upon the fundamentals. So it's exercises that you're not commonly exposed to. So rather than the heavy compound exercises, squats, deadlifts, whatever you see at the gym, we'll be targeting more rotator cuff, piriformis gracilis, transverse abdominis, all those niche groups. I hope that they can be motivated to incorporate those fundamentals into their training program as well. Finally, as a floating idea, I also want to be able to put up scaffolds and playlists based on different diagnoses or issues. So really drawing from my roots as a physiotherapist, there's always multiple avenues to get someone better, and so having this database will give you those variations and choices to pick from, but at least guide you and give you like a greater progression back to baseline. Man, this is one hell of a boring video. I'm sorry, guys, but yeah. Yep, you pick your poison. You clicked on it. You clicked on it. That's too bad for you. So I get a lot of friends asking me what's gonna make this product different or better to what's already on the market. And on the market there are great physiotherapy exercise database programs like VHI, NHS, Track Active. They're all great products, and yeah, I guess you got me. I am kind of stealing an idea, but I want to make it better. So those programs are all picture based, and I find that when I use Track Active or when I use the VHI for when I was in hospital, you still get patients missing the mark. They're not able to perform the exercise as you would like it, and they come up with their own variations because it's easy, or they come up with their own cheat movements because they are filthy cheater. No, I'm kidding. But I want to capitalize on the fact that we're using videos so that they can have a clearer depiction of what they're meant to do and a more efficient depiction of what they are meant to be doing. I also want to take use of YouTube because it's just so intuitive. Like it's not quite hard to set up your own playlist or let your therapist set up a playlist for you. So that I've got that going for me. And then finally, something that makes this a tiny bit better is that VHI and NHS are great for the hospital setting, but Track Active is, perfect for the private sphere. So private physio, private, that's the only thing I can think of, private ex-phys, I don't know. So in this YouTube channel, I do want to cover stroke. I do want to cover other niche injuries as well that you don't quite see in the private setting. Obviously, it's going to take time to work up there, but yeah, I want to have a combination of both sectors. So, what's my plan? My plan is to create 1,000 exercises, plus voiceover, plus subtitles, plus whatever tags I might need. I don't think I need any tags, but yeah. Um, I'll probably need to create a disclaimer for the average consumer. You always got to have a disclaimer just in case someone who's too noob and their power level's too low attempts to do something that's way too hard for them and ends up tearing their ACLs. I ain't ready to get sued or to get my ass kicked. I'm also going to add a description for each exercise, what the exercise is used for, which muscles are being activated, and when the exercise is appropriate. I'm going to make mini playlists / scaffolds for each injuries. For example, you could say post-op ACL or post-op meniscus, 2 to 4, 6 to 8 weeks, 3 months plus, different tendinosis and bursitis, FAIs, and general muscle aches. And then when I do hit 1,030-second videos, then yeah, maybe I can explore, integrating that into a website or integrating that into an app. For those asking me, actually, no one answers me these questions. I'm just, shut the hell up. I have friends. So, so for those asking me, what if someone steals your idea? To be honest, I really don't mind anyone stealing my idea. If someone came out with this product, a video-based exercise database, please show it to me because I actually need it as a physio. Yeah, honestly, you'd be shortcutting everyone's method of thinking. It would make everything faster when it comes to prescribing patients exercises, and patients would be less confused about how they're meant to do an exercise because, I'd say 8 times out of 10, people do forget their exercises. At the end of the day, patients will forget their exercises, and when they start, improvising, that's when it gets dangerous. Also, I'm 100% sure professionals forget about their exercises as well. Yeah, so hurry up and make it. So for the final question, how are you going to start, and are you worried about having a crappy channel? Oh, I 100% know this is going to be a crappy channel, but I guess for personal goals and aspirations, I'm at least going to attempt something. I promise the angle will be bad, the setting will be suboptimal compared to a gym, and the voiceover and directing will be bad as well. But you know what? I'm going to try my best because at the end of the day, if I can make anyone's life better, if exercise might have the possibility of decreasing, the progression of tau proteins in Alzheimer's, or if it has the possibility of decreasing atrophy in anyone, yeah, going to do my best to lead them through that. But yeah, it's going to be crap. Hold your expectations low, and you might see another channel sometime, maybe in the next 1 or 2 years. But yeah, I'm going to start slow, and hopefully something substantial will come about. So stay tuned. Also, if you have any questions or if you want to, give me any tips or play devil's advocate, please just write in the comments because I'm going to think about it and continue to progress this idea. All right, take care.